Hello boys and girls, my name is Danny Mac for cgcookie.com, and in this tutorial we're going to take a look at some of Blender's more advanced functionality to achieve some really nice results when painting stylized skin. A prerequisite to this tutorial is my last tutorial on painting in layers, which you'll find linked below. Now it's important you first watch this, otherwise it will be difficult to follow along. Also linked below is this demo head for you to practice the techniques we learn in this video. In the first part of this tutorial, we're going to build up a base colour for the skin using layers. We'll first look at painting different colour zones before moving on to lips and freckles. Then once our base colour is taken care of, we'll look at a nice little trick to very quickly create a subsurface colour map. Now it's vital you use subsurface for skin, otherwise it can look a bit lifeless. Then finally we'll move on to painting one of the most important textures for skin, the specular map, which tells Blender which areas should reflect more light and which should reflect less. Just before we get into the meat of this tutorial, I think it's important to point out that painting a nice skin texture takes much longer than I have time for here in this tutorial, and as such this is a very condensed example of the whole process. Therefore, I highly recommend that after you watch it, you also dig into the project file provided and play around with it. Change some sliders or tweak some node settings, check you understand what does what, and just generally try to broaden your understanding beyond what I can fit into this tutorial. So if we're ready, let's begin.